So it's just me and my brother-in-law and Hammy 2.0.
Say hi, Hammy.
We are going to attempt to find Hammy something to eat. We don't think he's hurt. Is he hurt?
I think he is. He won't use this wing. I think we should also come up with a different name than Hammy.
Why? What's wrong with Hammy?
I think like Gertrude. That's a pretty good.
Yeah,
that's pretty
Gertrude's
typical.
pretty good. I know, Gertie, I know. We're trying to find you some food. How do birds do this without a shovel?
I gotta set him up. Okay, where's the shovel?
I've been on the farm for like 18 years, and never once have we found a bird that is this docile. I feel like I'm that Australian guy who really likes animals. Crikey, look at this bird right here, eh?
What's his name again?
He's
Steve Irwin, that's it.
Steve Irwin. And I'm keeping him this way because he totally crapped on Nathan, so.
Hey, Gertie, get off. I'm gonna wash my hands now.
I know, little buddy, I know. We're trying to find you some. Nathan, faster, he's hungry. You always find earthworms when you don't need earthworms. But as soon as you have a bird in your hand that's injured and you're trying to find an earthworm, nowhere to be found. All right, Nathan, I'll go hunt.
Okay.
You stay with the bird.
Oh, it's upside down.
Nathan?
Yep.
Entertain them.
How do you turn this around? Oh, I don't want to let Gertrude escape. Come here, Gertie. Now, some of you may call... Oh, wait, no. Cut. I was going to say something about PETA.
PETA?
Yeah.
Like from Hunger Games?
No. Like PETA, like the pets people, the people who... Like the vegans?
Yeah.
But we're actually doing good for little Gertrude here. We're not harming him at all. Or maybe we are?
Sorry, little ants. We got bigger fish to fry. A bird. Got one. Oh, that took forever. Hey, pray first.
Here, let's use like tweezers.
Chopsticks, more or less. Din din. Bro, we can't do much more than that for you.
That's as good as it gets, Gertie. This is top of the food chain.
For a handicapped bird.
Oh, come on. You almost had it.
Maybe he already eaten.
It's right there.
What the?
Come
Dude,
on.
Buddy's fine.
Why can't you fly, Gertie?
We found ourselves a done handicapped bird. You can fly this whole time? I thought we were being nice.
Gertie, eat up.
Nathan, let's put our heads together and figure out what to do with this bird. So we have a bird and he doesn't like to eat anything, and we're not sure if it's a male or a female. We don't think he can fly, but he's moving both wings. So what do we do? All right, you know what? Trial by fire. Callie, get over here.
Callie, come here. Got something for you.
Okay, this
might be censored.
this is how this is gonna work, Gertie.
Callie, look.
No, not that close. This is how this is gonna work.
What is this?
Either you eat it or she eats you. You pick.
Come on. Gertie. Hungry man.
Ow!
Eat it. Okay. Callie.
Hey, Callie, put it down.
But we're actually doing good for little Gertrude here. We're not harming him at all. Or maybe we are? think if we drop him from a high place, maybe he'll start using his wings again. Yeah.
We've been played by a stupid bird. That was fun. Nathan, they grow up so fast.
Goodbye, Gertie. You were a good little birdie.
He's like a drone that's running low on batteries. Okay. Well, peace out, guys.